Welcome back to Amazing Coupon Cash. In this video, we'll go over how websites work, how websites make money, and how to collect ideas from other sites. How websites work. Picture your website like your online home. First, you have to have property to build your home, and that property has an address, like a street address, and that's where you build your house. If your home were really a website, then the property would be called hosting and the address called a domain. And, well, your home would be called the website. But in Module 2, we'll start building your website. The basic process to earn online is, first, you need an audience. There are 2 billion people online, and they're searching for things all the time. Whether they're researching and looking to buy, you will be helping these people and earning revenue in the process. When your audience finds something that they're searching for, they find it through various platforms and social media outlets. Your valuable content about your topic will be there for them. Your audience is now visiting your website where they will read your blog post or page that captured their attention during their online search. And here is where you provide valuable information. And guess what? Because your website had a well-researched review or enticing coupon, your visitor who's looking for a solution to their problem or a specific product is ready to buy and uses the convenient link on your website. So you get commission. Woohoo! There are literally millions of products or service providers that will pay commissions for the sales that come from sites just like yours. Collecting ideas before we get started. According to Forrester Research, online sales in the United States are expected to reach $523 billion in the next 5 years, up 56% from the $335 billion in 2015. Our goal is to bring in a piece of that $523 billion pie by providing authentic and valuable solutions. Let's take a look at my computer screen as I show you how to see what other people are looking for right now. Watch what happens when I type coupons in the web browser. You'll see that it automatically suggests some frequently searched for terms. And you'll notice that in all of those terms, coupon is very popular. It's not just there once, it's 1, 2, 3 times just by typing COU. Now, watch when I type print, as in print coupons. Printable coupons is number 3 in the most frequently searched for terms, starting with print. Why is that important? Because your audience will be clicking on your website in a search. And then search engines will equate that with value and rank your site higher. So your website will get found more often due to the higher ranking, and then it all starts all over again. There is no need to recreate the wheel. We can use popular websites as our template. Let's type coupons into our search engine again. Let's take a look at the Crazy Coupon Lady website. Here's what I really like about this website. It's not just about coupons. It's also about videos and blog posts. So let's say, for instance, you have no interest in grocery coupons. You can take a page out of the Crazy Coupon Lady website and you can write about and promote coupons for the things that really activate your imagination, for the things that you really enjoy. To recap, let's take a quick look at how you'll be creating success. First, you'll be choosing an interest. It can be anything you want. Then we're going to build your website. Don't worry, I'm going to make it very easy. Then we'll work on getting rankings and visitors, and of course, ta-da, earning revenue. In this video, we covered how websites work, where we talked about how hosting is like property where you build your house, your domain is like your street address, and your website is like your house, the place where you invite your audience to see your information. We also talked about how websites make money by providing links to solutions or products and generating commissions on click-through sales or generating commissions on pay-per-click coupons or links. Then we covered how to collect ideas from other sites, using existing successful sites as templates, and looking for ideas to see what to offer, as well as taking note of how the site looks and how it can be navigated or used. Coming up next, your big idea.